Thank you. Let us now proceed with the public hearing of the organizational meeting and briefing of the Committee on Public Works. Good morning to all of you. Before we formally start, I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude for everyone taking the time to attend the Committee on Public Works' first hearing and organizational meeting today. I would like to stress my commitment that during this humble representation's chairmanship of this committee, we will practice utmost diligence in delivering public service. The Senate Committee on Public Rules, per the rules of the Senate, has jurisdiction over all matters of public infrastructure like the roads, bridges, ports, and others. Gusto po nating klaruhin at bigyan diin na hindi sakop ng ating komite ang pag-aaproba ng mga proposed infrastructure projects. Kung hindi, tayo po ay nakafocus sa ating mandato na gumawa ng polisiya at batas ukol sa infrastruktura na mas magpapaginhawa at makakatulong sa ating mga kababayan. According to the Institute for Management and Development's 2025 World Competitive Ranking, the Philippines' infrastructure competitiveness is ranked 60 among 69 surveyed countries. Similarly, the Philippine Institute of Development Studies highlighted the country is also lagging in terms of tourism infrastructure compared to its Southeast Asian counterparts. Malinaw po sa mga datos na itong nahuhuli na ang ating bansa pagdating sa infrastruktura. Bilang isang developing country, lubang napakahalaga ng infrastruktura para sa pagunlad at paglago ng ating bansa at ekonomiya. We just do not need simple infrastructure projects. We need well thought out, coordinated, and contextualized infrastructure projects that specifically respond to the needs of our people and our country as an archipelago. We want to see projects that promote connectivity, are people-centered, and sustainable. Ilan sa mga nais natin marinig mula sa ating mga ahensya ay ang kanilang mga plano at policy directions para tayo po dito sa Senado ay makatulong, matutukan at makomplement ang mga infrastructure projects para sa multi-sectoral economic development agenda. Mula sa agriculture, transportation, tourism, logistics, pati na rin sa education sector. Nais din natin marinig kung ano-ano ang mga batas na kailangan maipasa ng 20th Congress para makatulong sa agenda ng gobyerno. Ultimately, the Senate Committee seeks to collaborate, complement, and cooperate with the national government agencies' priority public works and legislative agenda. Alam po natin vulnerable ang ating bansa sa natural calamities tulad ng lindol, bagyo, volcanic interruptions, at marami pang iba. Dahil dito, gusto po natin mapag-usapan ang mga plano ng ahensya patungkol sa people-centric, sustainable at disaster-resilient infrastructures. We sincerely want to have quality infrastructure that will last long and withstand natural disasters. With these concerns, alongside the current issues plaguing the department, I request that the DPWH give us a concise but comprehensive and transparent briefing of the current situation in the department and your plans to answer the demands of our people, not just the basic infrastructure, but the holistic infrastructure and public works agenda. Thank you very much. And before we proceed, may I ask the other senators if they have any opening statements?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning.